Hello, good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Wenda Aguilar. I'm 41 years old from Philippines. I have 4 children, ages 22, 17, 15, and 6 years old. Also, I have 7 siblings, and I am the eldest of the family. I am a college level and a caregiver graduate. I can handle both adult, children, also disabled. I have working experience here in the Philippines, also abroad. My first employer was 2017 up to 2018 here in the Philippines to take her newborn child. While her parents are working, I took care of her very well. I treat her as my own daughter. And then if she's sleeping, I will find my work just like cleaning, washing the dishes, washing clothes. And the reason I leave it's because I want to pursue my caregiver. I want to work abroad, like Saudi Arabia. For the first time, I work abroad in Saudi. By 2019, I take her 87 years old. She's a diabetic and she have a dementia. I always monitor her vital sign, her blood sugar. I inject insulin if needed. Giving her a good food, vitamins and medicine on the right time. Also, I can handle wheelchair to bed, bed to wheelchair, also changing diapers. Also, I am helping them cleaning the house, washing the dishes, iron the clothes. And then by 2021, I go back here in the Philippines by finished contract. And then by 2022 up to 2024 of January, I work again here in the Philippines as a nanny with 2 months old and 5 years old child. I took care of them very well. I treat them as my own children. I love them because I have my children too. I play with them, I sleep with them, I read books for them, and then I leave them because I want to work abroad again for my children. Also, I want to help my family because I am the breadwinner of the family. So to my future employer, if you hire me, I will do everything and I will do my best to be a good worker for you, to be a loyal, a good listener, and I can follow your rules. And if you hire me, I will do my best, but nothing but the best. I will stay with you as long as you want. I will work for you as long as you want me to stay. Thank you and God bless.